All right, today I just wanted to do a quick video on the Gator SFX Tri-Fold tonneau cover. I've had it for about 6 months, so I just wanted to do a quick review on it, as well as touch on the installation. So real quick, go ahead and bring this back. And I do apologize in advance. I'm going to try to do this video one-handed, so I'm going to try to keep the camera as level as I can, but forgive me if it's kind of all over the place. So let me show you up here real quick. So installation on this literally took less than 5 minutes. I think it took me longer getting it out of the box as opposed to actually installing it. But the first thing you want to do when you get out of the box and get it on your bed is make sure that it's level, or excuse me, even on both sides of the bed. So you don't want to make sure it's too far to one side or the other, and then you just want to make sure it's, even with the front of the bed up here. All right, so that no water leakage is going to happen up there. So that's the first thing you want to do. So as you can see under here, obviously mine's installed already, but you have these two little clips, one on each side. When you first install it, you don't want to clip these in just yet. So the first thing you want to do, like we said, is above, make sure everything's straight. Next thing you're going to want to do is fold it back, just to make sure that when it's all the way out, it's level, or excuse me, even all the way up and down on both sides. All right, and then also what you want to do is make sure that when you close the bed, that it is level across, and that there's not going to be any gaps when you actually close the bed. Okay, so we're looking good there. As far as the installation goes, the only thing you have to do is, well, I'll show you again. Once you know that it's even and you have good placement, the only thing you need to do is come back in here, tighten those two little clamps down, and it literally just goes around the lip right here of the bed, and you just secure that in there. Okay, now a cool feature about this particular model, I'm not sure if all of them are like this, but the clips in the back here actually will come down, and these are spring loaded, so you just pull it down, boom, and now that's locked in. Go over here to the other side, same thing, it kind of rests up here, just pull it down, spring loaded, clips right in the bed, and now you're all secure. So when you close it up, if you lock your bed, you've got some form of security there for you. Okay, one thing I will mention though, as you can see, these kind of do come down quite a bit as opposed to the clips in the front. When I was moving, I moved across a few states literally about a month ago, and I had a lot of boxes and stuff back here. These I did have to watch out for. You have to leave some type of room, so I couldn't just fit a box right there. And you can kind of adjust this a little bit, but if you want this to be fully secured, I had to kind of keep stuff out of the way of those. So just something to keep in mind, but I wouldn't necessarily say it's something to be negative about. It's just something to keep an eye on. Okay, but so far, like I said, I've had it for about 6 months. I'm pretty satisfied with it. It seems to be holding up well. The material seems pretty solid. As far as road noise goes, especially driving on the highway, it is very good. I barely notice it at all. It doesn't flap around, it's pretty solid. Street driving, I don't even know it's there. I didn't have my truck too long before I purchased it, so as far as gas mileage is concerned, it may have gone up a little bit. I'm not too sure, just because I'm not exactly sure where it was at prior to me installing it, but it couldn't hurt. So the price was good. I know there's a few similar models out here, but I just decided to go with this one here. So, but I'm very happy with it so far. No issues. I'm expecting some snow within the next couple months, so we'll see how it handles that. It's handled the rain pretty well. And then actually one more feature I do want to touch on real quick before we close this out. So we'll go ahead and unlock these. So again, those just come up, lock in place right there. So if you're driving and you have something in the bed that you cannot have the cover down for and you have to fold it back, you've got these little clips on both sides that kind of just clip in right here to the front. Boom, just like that. So now you're secure if you have to drive around with something in the bed, but you can't have this back. So those just kind of clip in, one on each side. Nice little feature there. But again, overall, I'm pretty satisfied with it. Installation super easy, and I think I got this for a few $100, so couldn't beat the price either. I think that's about it. So if y'all have any questions for me, let me know down in the comments. I appreciate it.